Now most people, they don't realize this, but it's really this simple, folks. You want to change what you're getting. Who wants to change what they're getting? Okay, everybody with their hand up wants to change what they're getting. You got to change what you're doing. Okay? Period. Quit making it harder than that. That's it. Change what you're doing. Okay, if you want to change what you're doing, you got to change what you believe. And you can't list out all the things you believe. You don't even know everything you believe. Why? Because it's subconscious. It's when someone said something about you and you agreed or accepted it, and all of a sudden it's gone. You forgot about it. That was years ago, but it's still affecting you today. So you literally have to get new information all day long. So every single day, man, seek information. Read 10 pages of a book. I have what's called a $1 Million Morning. If you guys do this right now for 90 days, it'll change your whole life over a 90-day period. It's called the $1 Million Morning. You wake up with extreme gratitude. Do you know how you get the gratitude? You shift your perspective by realizing that waking up is worth more than $1 million. Because if I gave you all $1 million for coming today, you guys would be leaving here fired up. Yes or no? Yes, like, think about this. Honestly, just feel like, oh my God, he just gave me $1 million for real, for real. And we went to this thing, man, and it said Real Solar, and we showed up, and dude gave us all $1 million. Dude, go out to the casinos. Go home. Go try to get in a bad mood. You won't be in one. Probably for a while. Someone could come up and give you some real shitty news, and you'll be like, I don't give a shit. Because you got $1 million. Well, who would take $1 million not to wake up tomorrow? Nobody. So that means waking up is worth more than $1 million? How come you don't act the same? Why aren't you waking up with extreme gratitude like, son of a bitch, I get another day? And again, I'm getting old. Every day I get even happier to wake up. I had a kid the other day, he was like 15, because I was talking to some kids, and he said, well, you know, now that half your life is over. And I'm like, motherfucker, your life might be over, bitch. Half my life is over. Like, you don't know when you're going to die. Shit, you could be 3/4 of the way dead at 15. It's like, dude, if we had a crystal ball, that kid's going to last till 17. So his life's half over. And he's asking me, now that mine is, what would I do different? But the 6 steps right there are basically going to work like this. You're going to forgive yourself. You're going to commit to do what you say you're going to do. Then you're going to start racking up the wins. Then you're going to start walking taller. You're going to look around. You're probably going to get a little upset. You're going to realize, I can have a nicer car than that. I can have a nicer house than that. I can have both. I don't have to fucking save all this shit. I can get the goddamn shoes and the passive income. You get both. You don't just choose one. That's what regular folks do, and you're not regular anymore. So you start freaking feeling like you deserve more, and you do, and you start actually doing more, which is crazy, because that's how you get more. You do more. But then you just start doing it, and you start making different decisions, and all of a sudden the people will pop up that you need to get rid of, and you just get rid of them. I don't care who they are, just get rid of them. And then every day you visualize exactly where you're going, exactly what it looks like, exactly what it smells like. You visualize that shit every day. Someone calls you stupid, dude, don't listen to other people. Other people's opinions should be none of your business. You see what I'm saying? If you validate yourself, you don't need any more validation from other people. So you just start cutting those pricks out. You start visualizing every day exactly what you want, getting more specific, writing it down, visualizing it every day. Make decisions every day based on, does this move me towards or away? Because it's that easy. You'll start making way better decisions. And then frickin' consume new information every day for 90 days. $1 Million Morning. Wake up with extreme gratitude every single day because it's worth more than $1 million. And now that you realize it, it's easier to do. It'll shift your perspective. You'll pump up. You'll jump up. You'll be enthusiastic. You'll be excited to get the day started. Then I recommend you work on 4 key areas before you do anything. Okay, first thing you need to worry about is your health. Okay, go elevate your heart rate. You know, I'm broke, Brad, I don't have a gym membership. Then just move your fat ass up and down like this. Because this will do it. I'm serious, dude. I know a guy one time walked the track. He was a big old dude. He walked the track. Just walked. Everyone laughed at him. Dude, what are you going to do? That ain't going to do nothing. You need to hit the weights. You need to fucking sweat. You need to, this dude walked all the way down to skinny. Just walked. So every morning when you wake up, just elevate your heart rate for 20 or 30 minutes. You're going to last longer. You're going to get more clarity. You're going to feel better. You're going to have more energy to knock more doors. You're going to smile brighter. You're going to look better. Your skin will improve. Just do that. Health. Okay, then you want to focus on relationships. Why? Well, guys, relationships is where the money is. The more hands you shake, the more money you make. Period. So you want to make more money? You say, I do, Brad. Well, then go shake more hands. Most people, when I say that, they're like, well, no, I feel stupid. Why would you feel stupid? Well, I mean, what if they think I'm oh, so you're valuing their opinion rather than your own? Go do the Sacred Six, fix that fucking mindset. Walk in like you owned a bitch. Okay, you'll start to fix that. That's what will happen with the Sacred Six. But the $1 Million Morning, you wake up with that perspective, dude. I'm telling you, it's different. Now you want to go to the gym. You want to figure out how to pay rent. You want to go knock doors because you appreciate the ability that you get to do so. And it changes that perspective. Then relationships, I want you to text or communicate throughout the day before you go to bed. A minimum of 5 people that you just want a better relationship with. Could be a prospect, could be a customer, could be your wife, could be your husband, could be whoever. Pick 5 people a day that you want to improve a relationship with. And then you just send them a little video or text or email or drop off a card or whatever every single day. How many people have people that when you see them calling, you know that they want something? See, everybody, right? We all got those people. And we look at it, we're like, what the fuck does he want? You want to be one of those people? So again, dude, reach out to somebody. Say, hey man, I saw that da-da-da-da, I appreciate you. Hey, I like you. Hey, I miss you. Hey man, I really appreciate you. Hey, any way I can help? Is there anything I can do for you? Is there any help I can give you? 5 people every single day. Okay, that'll build relationships. And again, guys, what you focus on grows. Make sense? So you just focus on it. I'm going to focus on relationship. What do I do? Well, I'm going to text 5 people, tell them I love them, tell them I miss them, tell them I appreciate them. Okay? That's health, relationships. Then I want you to focus on money, because money is very important. People tell you it's not important. It is important. It is important. See, a lot of times people come here to learn shit, when in reality, you just need to unlearn shit. Money is very important. It is not evil and it is not bad. Okay? And no one will hate you because you have some and now you won't give them any. And if they do, cut them out. Simple. Like, dude, you'll help who you want to help when you get that money. Trust me. I help a lot of people with money that technically, you're enabling them, Brad. I don't care. I love them. That's the whole point of money, right? So it's like I get to help people I want to help. I get to live how I want to live. Money's important, so you want to focus on it. How do you focus on it? Here's what you do. Simple as this. Write down 5 things that you can do today to drive revenue. Period. You know what drives revenue, right? If you write down everything you do all day, there's income-producing activities and there's non-income-producing activities. Get rid of the non-income-producing activities that you're doing every day and then do more of the income-producing activities. And a lot of you guys have been thinking, dude, this is obvious. Well, then why ain't you fucking doing it?